Hey guys, it's ArtSea, and today I'm going to be teaching you a Balisong trick called the Spy. And I'm going to be using the wave, which is what I'm going to be restocking in my store soon. Today I'm using the wave. It's on artseabalisong.com, and I'm restocking the teal one soon and the midnight wave. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be throwing the knife out. You're holding the safe handle. So the safe handle is right here where your index finger is not going to be hit by the blade. It's the back of the blade. And you can either start with a closed grip like this and do a double rollout. Hopefully you know a double rollout, or you can start in an open grip and just do a single rollout. But either way, you're going to want the knife facing away from you. So you're pushing the knife away from you. And I like to do it in first person like this so you can have your hand in front of you and follow along. So you're going to start off by doing a double rollout, and now the knife's facing away from you. You're getting to this position. If you do the single one, you're doing it right here, and you're going to have your index finger on top, and you're going to move your thumb out of the way. Moving your thumb out of the way is the most important step of this whole trick, okay? So you're doing a double rollout, move your thumb out of the way, and then you're going to take the knife by this grip with all three of your fingers here and your index finger here. You're going to be twirling it, and you're doing a pretty hard throw, so it goes all the way around. It's going to come in mid-air right here. Right here, you're going to have your index finger not even holding it anymore. That handle is going to fall into the thumb right there. This handle is going to fall in, and you're going to grab it and secure it with your index finger. And the hardest part of this is that a lot of people will accidentally just grab this handle because this one will bounce off of it, or this one won't even get there by the time you put your finger. So I'd say that's probably the hardest part of this trick, but with practice you'll get it down. So let me show you what it looks like when you mess up. So you'll do an index rollover, you get your thumb out of the way, and then you'll go like this, and you'll accidentally just catch that, and then you'll flip up and be like, wow, that looked terrible. So it requires more momentum than you expect. You're gonna do an index rollover, thumb out of the way, and catch it like that. So that is how to do the trick from a closed grip. And hopefully you know from an open grip, it's just this, like that. Thank you so much to all my Patreons that help and support me. I hope you guys get a lot out of what I'm offering on my Patreon. I offer lessons, and a lot of people actually improve a lot, and that's on Tier 3 and Tier 4. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below any questions you have, and I'll make sure to answer them. Or you could DM me on Instagram. My Instagram's right here, and I will get back to you as soon as I can.